Want to keep your home projects on point without turning into a total headache? Alright, so first off, always start with a clear plan. Like, know exactly what you want before you even pick up a hammer or call someone. Next, budget smartly. Set aside a bit more than you think you'll need because stuff always pops up. When you're picking contractors, check their reviews and make sure they are licensed and insured. Don't be shy about asking for references or examples of previous work. It's your home, after all. Keep communication open and don't let things go silent. Regular updates help avoid surprises. Also, keep a written record of agreements and changes so nothing gets lost in translation. If you're doing some of the work yourself, get proper training or watch videos to avoid accidents. Finally, always do a thorough walkthrough before signing off on the job to catch any missed details. One of the biggest mistakes people make in home projects is underestimating costs, which can totally throw off your budget. Fix this by planning for at least 10 to 20% extra cash upfront. Another common issue is hiring unlicensed or uninsured contractors. This can lead to tons of problems down the road, so always verify credentials before committing. Lastly, poor communication often causes delays or shoddy work. The fix here is to keep in touch regularly and get everything in writing so you're both on the same page. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trustworthy local contractors way easier by connecting homeowners with pros who have solid reviews and verified credentials. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by boosting their visibility to people ready to start projects right now.